Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to SIM cards and mobile networks. Once there, choose the SIM slot used for voice. You want to see the VoLTE LTE or Enhanced 4G calling option. This is where you will act. Make sure mobile data is enabled for that SIM so the VoLTE LTE control appears. If you don't see it, tap the SIM again or toggle mobile data on and off to force the menu to refresh before proceeding to the next step. You now disable VoLTE LTE by switching off the VoLTE LTE or Enhanced 4G calling toggle for the chosen SIM. Once done, make sure the change applied by briefly turning airplane mode on and then off. This forces the modem to re-register without VoLTE LTE. If you did not find the VoLTE LTE toggle, restart the phone and reopen SIM settings. Sometimes carrier settings take a restart to appear. Make sure the SIM profile is active and not restricted by a data limit while you complete this step. Finish by placing a test call and checking the status bar or call quality to confirm the phone is no longer using VoLTE LTE and has fallen back to 3G or 2G voice. If calls fail or you still see VoLTE LTE, reboot the phone and reinsert the SIM, then reset network settings in System Settings to clear carrier caches. If the option persists or is forced by the carrier, contact your carrier and ask them to remove VoLTE LTE provisioning from your line to complete the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.